Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to adjusting the flash on your camera on iPhone. So the device that I use today is iPhone XR, and the way we adjusting the flash when we take or use the camera is so simple. We need to access the camera first. You just need to slide your home screen into the left side, and in app library you just need to type camera to access the camera. You just need to click it, and now we already have this camera. So the next thing you have to do is decide either you want to take a photo or you want to take a video. If you want to take a photo, make sure that you are in a photo section, so the text will be in a yellow color here. And to adjusting the flash, we just need to go in this left upper corner, just need to click it to adjust in it. So when it's have like a line, means that the flash is off, and while this is on. I would like to give you another way, so you just need to go click this part, and after that the flash will be here, so you can adjust in the flash by click this, and you can choose either you want to make it auto flash on or off. If you want to turn it on, just click on, and now you just need to go click this to take a picture, and the flash is on. So that's it. That's the way how to adjust in the flash on a camera by iOS or iPhone. If you find that this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.